Hello everyone and welcome in the fourth video uh, in this Unity 2D short series. This is basically just going to be a pretty short series where I'm going to show you how to create a breakout game. Let's get started. Great. So now we have set up our project. You can go to the scene view, and that's now it's 2D, not 3D. We are working in a 2D scene, not 3D. You can active and disactive the 2D scene by clicking in this icon, 2D scene. Okay, let's go ahead and import our first sprite. A sprite is basically a texture. Let's first drag into our project. This is basically is going to be our player. It's a breakout game. Just you have to drag it and move it into your assets. In the project view, you can see that we have imported the image. Great, it is now imported, and because we have selected the TD default setting, you can see a new texture type called a sprite. It is here, sprite. You can see that it's called a sprite. And there we have all kind of different stuff. The first stuff is the sprite mode. The sprite mode, we want that to be single because there is only one object here. There is only one object here. If we have more than one object, for example, if we are working with some shapes that contains some circle and other shapes, you can work with the other mode, multiple, the pixel unit. That's really important, but just when we are working with a small image. The pivot is the layout and the center of our project. We keep it always center. So let's speak about the camera, the main camera. All projects have a main camera. We can add other cameras, but we need only one important main camera. You can change the viewport, other things. The flags, skybox. If we apply skybox, the Unity features introduced by the Unity community, that there is a lot of skybox. It's really cool. And the solid color, that's mean one color, for example, black, white, gray, or don't clear. So as we can see here, the main camera is projected in this place. We can move it and work with other places. We are going to drag our texture, our player, and you can see that it is here projected on the camera. We can make it even bigger, and you can say if we the projection mode is really important. Orthographic or perspective. Keep it always orthographic. We can change the size of the camera. If you see, it's really a zoom effect, nothing more, nothing less. So now we are going to apply a box collider 2D to our player. So add component physics 2D, apply a box collider, or you can just go to the component menu and physics 2D box collider. Then if you see the green the green box, we need to make it for you can move it, you can make anything. A collider is the collision system that makes our ball rebound after it hits our player. Thank you very much. In the next video we are going to work with the code and to make a C# file that control the player movement. Thank you very much.